subjects are approaching.
So you see, El Rapcat, we must make a stand here and stop Bentley Brickjaw and those like him, while there is still some forest left to save.
Ah,
What is it now, Cece?
Spider Bing, Spider.
Don't be such a coward. Where's your sense of adventure? Need I remind you that you are in the middle of the rainforest and surrounded
By
copycat. Hey, he's gone.
gone. What do you mean gone?
Gone where?
I don't know, man. We turned around, and there he was, gone.
Hey, this arrow. It's not native. It's from a high-powered crossbow.
A note. It says, vacate the valley and cancel your concert or you'll never see your friend again.
Ah, no signature. But this can only be the work of Bentley Brickjaw. What do? Back to the village. We need to regroup.
You okay, bro?
Arrow's definitely not cool, man.
Aguero.